Today on Carter's Eat, we're doing Let's Eat with Tiffany Suzette, who made cornstarch fried chicken. And one of her subscribers said, wash the chicken in egg wash, cornstarch, egg wash, and then into your flour seasoning mix. Well, we're doing it with SoulfulT Seasoning. So let's get right into the video and see how the egg wash, cornstarch, and SoulfulT Seasoning adds up. Thank you guys for coming to Carter's Eat. Slide my... Now with this, I don't even think I need to set my wings into the freezer. I'm gonna go in reverse order, sorry. It's called egg wash, cornstarch, egg wash, SoulfulT. With that being said, I'm going to get a second bowl for a separate egg. Here's our first wing. I'm going to drop it in the egg wash. I'm sorry you can't see it, so I'm going to try to do an overhead shot. I didn't want it to stay that long. I'll drop it in the... Did y'all see that? Cornstarch. Drop it in the wash. And drop it in my flour. That's the starch. Wash again. Starch stays on there magically. I don't understand that, but the starch stays on. And then we're dropping that starched wing right into the soul. They're playing Minecraft, y'all. Okay. And they keep killing each other. And okay, you guys, that's already in there. And let's see how we're gonna shake up the SoulfulT Seasoning. Shake, 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 shake. With the wash on it. Pop it right out. And I'm just doing these in the egg, right into the egg wash. Right into the SoulfulT. Shake it up. That's just the SoulfulT one. Again, if this is your first time here, thank you for coming to Carter's Eat. We'd love it if you subscribe. My husband's name is Arthur. He loves to cook. My name is Lisa. I love to eat. Here I'm fighting. And the other thing is we have two kids. AJ's 8, Blake's 4, and oh, Blake's 5. She just had a birthday on Thursday, April 16th. All right, let's get ready to turn them over, okay? Okay, what I've done, you guys, is I reversed it. I put the SoulfulT on first. We're going to wash it and drop it into the starch and see how it fries up, okay? Get my slide it all on, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're going to come and go ahead and check this out. Flip the last one a little bit over. And we'll check this one. Poke it and make sure there's no glaze. I think my kids will be the true taste testers. Maybe my husband will be the true taste tester. Cook up.
What we got?
Woo.
Damn. Are these chicken wings or turkey wings?
They're hubbub. There's the gizzards. Yes, sir. With the SoulfulT Seasoning family, you don't have to flour or season your flour at all. It comes ready-made, and it is the best thing on the market right now in regards to a chicken prepper. I know Autry's makes a chicken fry batter. I'll say SoulfulT's is almost better than that. All right, we're gonna bring this out now. This video with the cornstarch fried, double dipped cornstarch fried chicken, double dipped in egg wash, SoulfulT seasoning, and cornstarch. Let's Eat Tiffany Suzette. Shout out to Let's Eat Tiffany Suzette, whose channel I saw this on. And again, one of her subscribers said, try double dipping that cornstarch chicken into a seasoned flour. And I used SoulfulT's. It's not disappointing. Let me see if I can take another bite for y'all. And how the seasoning and the crispiness. Gives it that crunch. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. That's my soap water. Sorry. Lisa, don't eat the kids' fried chicken. Lisa, don't eat the kids' fried chicken. Ooh, there's that Carter sauce. And those fried chicken wings, double dipped in SoulfulT seasoning and cornstarch. Look at the crispiness. Get you some of that. And FYI, we are going to revisit this video. We are going to revisit making our cornstarch double dipped fried chicken with SoulfulT seasoning. I'm going to put the egg wash over the chicken first in a big old bowl. Season my cornstarch. Mix it in with the SoulfulT and cook it together. Thank you for coming to Carter. Sorry about the shadow. Thank you for coming to Carter's.
Do or die, open up your eye, get those champagne murder.
By Let's Eat with Tiffany Suzette. She did the cornstarch and fried chicken. So one of her subscribers said, let's do white egg wash. Hi, thank you for coming to Carter's Eat today. Today we are making life. Shit.